Riyanshi Adya was came into our life on July 2nd. It was very memorable moment for us.
కట్ తెలుగులో చెప్పు. అంతేనా? నీ కూతురు గురించి ఏం చెప్పవా? So our little miracle name is Riyanshi Adya. She came into our life on July 2nd, 2025.
It was very sweet memories to us, and everyone was told us we'll be getting a boy child, but our dream was about to have a girl child. So we are very happy with our little Riyanshi Adya.
Yeah, she's a little miracle in our life. Don't know what life brings us, but we want to have beautiful memories throughout our life.
Yeah.
So the one promise that we want to make is we want to give her a beautiful family as parents.
Riyanshi Adya, we love you.
గుడ్ గర్ల్ కదా.
ఏమో నేను నేలు గుచ్చుకుంటున్నా అమ్మకి.
నీలి